Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and guess what I'm doing? I'm doing some food prepping today. It's Sunday, the Sunday before Thanksgiving, and I've got a lot of things. I'm having dinner here. It's a keto dinner. Of course, I'm going to fix mashed potatoes and corn and stuff like that I can't eat, but everybody else can eat it. But the one thing that I want to do is I got 4 packs of Baby Bella mushrooms that I'm going to prep today. I'm fixing a green bean casserole, and I want mushrooms in them. And so they had the 8-ounce packages of Baby Bellas on sale for $1.49, and so I got 4 packs of them. And I've washed them, and I've taken the stem out of them, and I've dried them. And I do want to tell y'all, and I probably say this every time I fix mushrooms, but I do not think, I have always heard that you cannot wash mushrooms. Well, I'm really, really picky about my mushrooms. I cannot stand the dirt and stuff on them. So I wash my mushrooms. I do wash them, and then I dry them off and take the stems out and dry them out. And so now I'm going to slice them, and I'm going to put them in here. I've got this avocado oil. I'm gonna just put probably a couple tablespoons of that in my frying pan here, and I'm gonna get about a half a stick of butter, and I'm going to saute these in here, and then I'm going to let them cool off. And I'm going to save some for this week, but the rest of them I'm going to freeze and get out Wednesday night for the green bean casserole. I do think that you can freeze a lot of vegetables like this, and so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to slice these up, and I'll bring you back. Okay, here's the mushrooms. I am letting them cook down now, and they've already cooked down right much. This pan was full, and I went in the kitchen to do some stuff in there and came back, and they've already cooked down a lot. But the way that I know when they're done is, well, first off, I'm going to let this water, because mushrooms have a lot of water in them, and so I'm going to let these cook down probably for about 20 minutes. And then I'll put salt and pepper and all in there, and I'll, but I'm just doing prepping today. And now over here, let's see, where's the thing? Over here, I've got some tomatoes that I'm going to cut up. I did put, I'm going to go and put the top on here. I always put my tomatoes in my salad. I get those bags of salad, the romaine lettuce blend. And I did always put my tomatoes, I've always done this for years and years, and put my tomatoes in with the salad. And I don't know what made me decide one day not to do it, but I didn't put the tomatoes in there, put everything else in, the cucumbers and the cheese and all that in with the set bag of salad, and didn't put the tomatoes in there. And the salad kept for a lot longer. And so I just came to the conclusion that what I do now is I cut up some tomatoes, cube them up, and I put them in baggies or whatever, and the sealable bags. And then each time I fix a salad, I just get out some tomatoes out of the bag and the baggie and put some in my salad. And it just causes the salad to keep a lot longer. So as I'm going on through my things that I've got to do today, this is another thing that I'm doing. Like I said, I'm going to be cubing these up and putting them in baggies. And I just wanted to tell y'all that. So I'll bring you back. Okay, here's my mushrooms. All right, they are done. I'm going to put them on just a paper plate or whatever and let them cool off. And then I'm going to put half of them. Now I'm really going to, I've got some hamburger steaks or whatever, hamburger patties that I've got to fix. And I'm going to use part of these on the hamburger, and the other half will go into the green bean casserole that I'm fixing for Thanksgiving. So I'll bring you back with more food prepping. Okay, I'm back. All right, now I'm prepping my hamburger. I eat it as hamburger steak. I don't put anything on it, just salt and pepper. I've never really seasoned my hamburger or my steak, or I don't know, I've just always been kind of a plain Jane. I don't like the Lowry seasoning salt. Now my daughters do, I don't. But I will eat this. I am going to put some mushrooms on one of these, and I'll eat one tonight. I'll have one for tomorrow, and then I'm going to freeze the other two. That way I can just get them out, and I'll freeze them like separately so that I can just get them out, put them in the microwave, and heat them up. And that will be something quick for me. And I've got several other things that I've got to do. I just put my salad in the bowl. This is a bag of the romaine premium blend, and I've got half a bag of baby spinach in here with this. And that's what I'm going to have for dinner tonight, is one of these with the mushrooms and then a salad. And I use Ken's creamy Caesar dressing. I've always been a ranch person, always, but I found this creamy Caesar and I absolutely love it. So that's what I will have on my salad. I've got some chicken legs that I've got to fix. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to fix those. And I've got some pork chops. I'm trying to get things out of my freezer because I know that after Thanksgiving Day I'm going to have a lot of things that I need to freeze. So I mean, I've just got so many meats. So I'm not sure yet how I'm going to fix the chicken legs or the pork chops, but I will definitely bring y'all along to with me when I do that. So I'm just cooking these now, and I'm gonna eat my dinner, which what I said was, one of these with the G. Hughes ketchup on it. I love that. Or the barbecue sauce, either one. You can get them at Walmart. They do have them, and it's sugar-free ketchup and barbecue sauce. And I like the G. Hughes ketchup better than I like regular ketchup. It is so good to me. So I'll have that and a salad, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm going to go on and end this video here. It's 25 to 8. Here's my dinner. I've done my hamburger steaks. I've done my salad. I've done my mushrooms. I've made my dinner, and I'm going to go on and end this prepping video here, and I'll bring another one, start another one tomorrow with the chicken and the pork chops. And so this is my dinner. Here's my hamburger steak with my mushrooms on it, and here's my salad, and all it is lettuce and spinach and cheese and tomatoes, and my Ken's creamy Caesar dressing. And so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to certain things that I use in my kitchen and you may be interested in. Also to my Facebook and my Twitter. And you have a good night. Bye.